Step into the 2014 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.